Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We resume our LA-18 road trip as we enter the unincorporated community of Avondale. Here, the Great River Road rejoins LA-18 and remains with us for the rest of the trip. Avondale had a population of 4,954 as of the 2010 census. Ahead on the right is the former Avondale Shipyard, most recently operated by Northrop Grumman Corporation. At one time, it was the largest employer in Louisiana with about 26,000 employees. This was the site of the modernization of the battleship USS Iowa in the early 1980s. In 1998, the company won contracts worth $454.7 million for the construction of 2 ships by the U.S. Navy, a landing platform dock ship and the Navy's newest amphibious assault ship. Northrop Grumman consolidated its shipbuilding to Pascagoula, Mississippi beginning in 2011, and operations here were closed by 2013. USS Somerset was recorded as the last Navy ship to depart from the Avondale Shipyard on February 3, 2014. On the left is a large rail yard operated by BNSF and Union Pacific, and the railroad crossings here were spurs that served the former shipyard. At Avondale Garden Road, we enter the unincorporated community of Waggaman, which had a population of 10,015 people as of the 2010 census. The community was named for U.S. Senator George Augustus Waggaman, who had settled in the area in the early 1800s. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out, and hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Waggaman ends at South Cantor Avenue, which is so named because it is directly across the river from the town of Cantor, Louisiana. Looking at a map, South Cantor Avenue directly lines up with Williams Boulevard on the other side of the river. We conclude today's video as we enter St. Charles Parish in the community of Ama. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.